Welcome to our lesson on splinters and the rule of 26. Your partner opens one heart and you have one of the following hands. The most important thing about all three of these hands is the fact you've got 4-card heart support. On the first one you merely go 2 hearts, on the second one you go 3 hearts, and on the last one you start by bidding a new suit to start with, intending to bid 4 hearts next. So it's convenient to bid 2 diamonds. Do not go straight to 4 hearts with good hands 13 to 15. It's not a good idea. And that bid of jumping to 4 hearts is used for a preemptive raise. Looking at these 2 hands, what contract would you like to be in? Well, you've got good spade, you've got good diamonds, ace of clubs opposite a singleton. You seem to only have one losing hearts. You would like to be in 6 spades. And the most important thing is you've got no wasted values in hearts. You've got a singleton opposite 3 small, and all the other values between the 2 hands are working. Now let's look at these 2 hands. On these 2 hands, you've got a much stronger hand. Now you've got ace, king, queen, jack of diamonds between the 2 hands, ace, king of clubs, and still the same spades. Now you've got 27 points. Do you want to be in 6 spades now? Certainly not. Not with the ace, king of hearts missing. So everything centres around having the shortage in one hand and rubbish in that shortage suit in the other hand. Knowing about a specific singleton can be very good for finding minimum point slabs. So this is how it works. Your partner opens a heart or a spade. You make a very unusual jump, a double jump in the suit in which you have the singleton. For example, partner opens a heart, then you bid 3 spades. This now shows 4-card heart support, 13 to 15 points, and a singleton spade. 4 clubs, you've missed out 2 clubs, 3 clubs would be a jump. This is now a double jump. It now shows 4-card heart support, 13 to 15 points, and a singleton club. And 4 diamonds likewise shows a fit 4-card heart suit, or better, singleton diamond, and 13 to 15 points. After a spade, now you'd have to jump to the 4 level in everything. 4 hearts shows 13 to 15 and a fit. 4 clubs shows singleton, 13 to 15 and a fit. And 4 diamonds shows 13 to 15 points, a fit, and a singleton diamond. So partner opens 1 spade, and you've got this hand. You've got no wasted values in diamonds. You've got a spade fit and the all-important singleton club. And you can now go headlong and jump to 4 clubs. Partner will know you've got 13 to 15 on a point somewhere. Partner will know you've got 4-card spade support. And partner will know you've got a singleton club. Now, let's look at these permutation of cards. You've got 4 rubbishy hearts opposite singleton. Is that good? Certainly is, because after 1 round, you can trump in. And whatever values on the left with the ace, 7, 6, 5 hearts, they will have the king, queen, jacks, and the aces in the other 3 suits. Whereas in the second example, you've got king, queen, 6, 5 opposite the singleton. You'd much rather have the king, queen of, instead of having the king, queen of hearts, having king, queen of spades or king, queen of diamonds. So it's completely wasted having the king, queen opposite a singleton. You can also make splinter bids when your partner bids in a suit which you have 4-card support. Let me show you. Partner opens a heart. You've got a spade, and it's your turn now. You've got the all-important spade suit, fit. You've got 19 points. So you're 19 and partner's minimum 6. You've got enough for game. So on the way, you show a singleton club by going 4 clubs. And partner can judge whether the value is the fact that you've got nothing in clubs and all your 18, 19 points will be in the other 3 suits, whether a slam is viable. So let's just show you. There goes 1 heart on the left, 1 spade on the right with just 8 points, 4 clubs. And what does this guy on the right say? Well, I've got spades. I've got the ace of hearts is a working card. Queen of diamonds must be a working card. Opposite partner's 18, 19. And no wasted club values. So I'm going to check up on aces. And when partner gives 5 clubs, 3 or none, if you're playing Roman key card, or 5 hearts to show 2, this hand can now bid 6 spades. How many points are there between the 2 hands? 28 points, and they bid a slam. Now let's have a look at this hand. Again, 1 heart, 1 spade. Oh, I've got 18, 19 points, but no singleton. I've got enough for game. I'm going to just bid 4 spades. And partner passes. So what do we learn in the second sequence? If partner hasn't splintered when they could have done so, they haven't got a singleton. People often say to me, oh, splinters never come up. Splinters do come up. The fact that you don't use a splinter means you haven't got a singleton if you could have splintered at the time. So if you didn't splinter, you haven't got a singleton, and partner will know your shape is 4-4-3-2, or 5-4-2-2, or 6-3-2-2. Now, out of splinters, with the group I once had, came the rule of 26. This is how it works. You only need 30 points to make a grand slam if you had a fit in 3 suits, in other words, ace, king, queen, jack in 3 suits, and you had a void in the full suit, because you wouldn't have to worry about the full suit, because you could just trump anything, and you got enough winners in the other 3 suits. So if you took an ace away from that 30 points, you'd still make a small slam. That's why we get the term rule of 26. So you add your points outside the splinter suit to the known total. And if the total is 26 or more, think slam. I'll show you. So what do we open with the hand on the left? 1 spade. The hand on the right, 4 clubs. Probably a bit too strong, but let's try 4 clubs nevertheless. Hand on the left has no wasted values in the splinter suit. They say I've got ace, king, ace, 4, 8, 12, 13 points outside the splinter suit. My 13 and your known total of 14 is at least 26, 27. I'm going to start initiating a slam. So it bids 4 diamonds. This hand now bids 5 clubs, first round Q bid, confirming not only was it a shortage, it must be a void. 5 hearts, I've got the ace of hearts. 7 spades, you must be joking. 1 spade. 4 clubs, not as strong as the first hand. My 14 points outside the known splinter suit, outside clubs. You've got at least 13. Think slam. 4 diamonds Q bid. 4 spades for the time being. 5 hearts Q bid. Aha! You've got the ace of hearts. You've got ace of hearts, and I got king, queen. No wasted values.